Okay, level 5 task, compose a bass line to accompany your leitmotif. So as we're using the C pentatonic scale, we're gonna wanna base our bass line around that note as well. So I'm gonna go to add track, instrument. I could choose something different, or I could choose a similar instrument, and I'm gonna go with a similar instrument. So I'm gonna go to strings again. So I could choose cello section, or I could use just the general strings. So I'm gonna go with cello, and that gives me a kind of low pitched sound. If I go to down an octave, I can also get even lower. So I might want to start there with a lower pitch. Okay, one thing I didn't do in the last video is name my track. So you see I've now labeled this as violin. I'm gonna call this cello or bass. So compose a bass line to accompany your leitmotif. So there's nothing specific about the notes. Okay, so you've got a bit of freedom here. At the top, there's this faint red line. So if I click on that, it will now loop what I've done already. If I want to just loop the first 2 bars, I can use my arrow by clicking at the edge to move it to 2 bars, but I want to compose for the whole 4 bars. So let's have a listen. And then compose something that I like. Okay, so maybe it's setting. Okay, so that was ascending. So that was a nice bass line because it's ascending. Okay, and again, it's to do with the sunrise. I might want to make my bass line represent the quietness of the morning, so I might want to keep it even simpler. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to have every part ascending. It's just got to reflect what happens in the sunrise. I'm going to, for my example here, I'm going to do something that is ascending. Before you record, you could take off the loop just to make sure it doesn't restart when you get to the end. So I'm going to do something ascending. I'm going to start on C as I did before, or Z. So let's just record and see what happens. So go to the beginning and hit record. Now I didn't have my metronome on there, but hopefully it's close enough. Yeah, I'm not happy with the timing of that. So you can either redo it or you can quantize. I'm gonna show quantizing in the next video. Okay, so this essentially is a level 5 with the level 4 ascending leitmotif and a bass line that fits with the leitmotif.